Hey, how you guys doing? Just want to do a real quick video. This is one of my favorite plugins. I admit I haven't bought it yet because of the price, but this is from Accusonus. This is one of their audio plugins that I've reviewed in the past and is actually really good. I couldn't pass it up at $9. Full price is normally $59, so you're actually saving $50. You're getting it just for $9. Just to show you what it does. It just normalizes the voice, or great for dialogue. So if you have standalone dialogue, and it's kind of basically a compressor, one knob compressor, but you do have a couple of features here, down here, normal, tight, emphasis, and breath control to adjust your audio. And just to show you, I've got some audio here that I was using. This is on a previous clip. I've got the voice leveler on here, and this is actually superimposed with some music, so you can actually set this compressor from normal to tight, so it sets better in the mix if you have dialogue on top of some music. Emphasis for it basically fixes all of your tonality in there. If you have things are kind of high or low, and it fixes the tonal, keeps it all the same. And of course you have breath control if you breathe in between vocal dialogue. So it's very easy to use, and it works actually really good. A chance to take a look at the Maxine Flurney Museum. This is maintained, and so go check it out. You can get it for about $9, basically for the next probably 10 days. It's almost the it'll be the 1st of November very soon, so well worth it. Accusonus ERA4 voice leveler. Thanks for watching, and see you guys later.